Here, I remember when we first started laying, installing, we was down like 4 levels. Now we're all the way up. Appreciate y'all for joining, man. Check me out, subscribe, check out my recent uploads. We need a string. You got a string? You gotta just make a quick adjustment, Rich.
I got a line. I got a line block.
I don't need a line block. Just grab one side. I'm gonna grab the other. Hey, Cash, you're gonna grab that side over there where Beto got it.
I didn't hear what you said.
Grab it. Look, right here in this corner.
All right.
Opposite of me.
Please don't drop the fucking bro.
Up on this right here, this edge right here, yeah.
Pull it harder. What am I looking at?
Look at the string.
I know, but he's touching the stone, Rich.
All right, I can touch it too. But look, we gotta kick in the corners.
Kick in the corners?
Yeah, or pop out the inside, the middle. You see what I'm talking about?
So, no. Yeah, I see it. So I move this out.
Either that or pull this in.
Nah, I pull it in so I can pull it on deep.
Okay. All right, Rich.
Rich,
Yeah.
focus on this one.
Yeah.
You're gonna grab it back, yeah, just like you put your left hand and then the one in the back. And I'm gonna lift up and you push. 1, 2, 3. Ah. That's it.
Move.
Yeah.
All right, but now
Next one.
next was just a touch. I think it
Same
was too
thing.
much.
No, that's it. That's it.
All right, grab the
Same
level.
thing.
Grab the level.
Ready, cuzzo? 2, 3.
Hold up.
Hell no, bro. Am I the only one moving it?
No, that's what I said. Hold up. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
Get the hammer.
You know what it is?
That shim's holding it, Beto. That shim's keeping you from doing anything.
You think so?
Yeah, of course.
Take it out.
Nah, don't take it out. Rich got the hammer.
You want to hold it and push it?
No, you can't.
Ready?
2, 3. Yeah. That's it. Too much.
Like that.
What happened to this one?
Shit.
That's it. All right, now give me that little level. Right behind you or right beside you.
Some of you?
Slightly.
Pop it up.
Slightly.
If Cash lift it up out here, I'll stuff the mud.
It ain't about lifting it. It's the backside gotta lean down.
Nah. How so?
What you mean? Down that way?
No, it don't, Richard.
Nah, we dead on. We good.
Yeah.
Check your side, Rich.
It's off. Check it right here, Richard. It's off.
Gotta come up a little bit, right?
Yeah, what's up with the big level? You see the big level? Put it right here. Alright, put it on top. Okay, so that's all that's good. So now it's just leaning forward. Okay, take out the big level. Catch it right here. Catch it right here.
Check the level.
Too much?
Oh, we smooth.
We there. We there.
That's it.